just saying I'm shy. 'Cause when I just saying I'm shy. 'Cause when I just saying I'm shy. 'Cause when I just saying I'm shy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I have a very simple, quick, easy, fast butterfly makeup look for Halloween or literally any occasion, maybe like a festival or something, I don't know. But this look probably would have taken me an hour if I wasn't recording, and I'm so obsessed with it. But I just want to mention that this look is 100% recreated / inspired by Mary Leah Scott, I think is how you say her name. I'll show you the look that I was inspired by. I saw this on Lime Crime's makeup account on Instagram, or Lime Crime's account on Instagram. I was so obsessed with it. I was like, I have to recreate it. Now, I was gonna just say that this was inspired. I was gonna do like different techniques and that kind of stuff, but I literally saw this and I had to copy it 100%. It's just gorgeous, and I give her full credit for this look. I'm so obsessed with it. It was so quick, so easy, and like I said, it doesn't have to be worn for Halloween. You can literally be any occasion, or kid birthday party, something, whatever. Super cheap, something you can do at home, and just, I'm obsessed with the way it turned out, and I hope you guys like it as well. But if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so to start off this look, I'm just going to take a little bit of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I just want to spray a little bit of this on my face so that when I go ahead and do my face makeup, my skin will be nice and glowy. Alright, so next we're going to move on to the eyes. I like to do my eyeshadow and that kind of stuff before my face makeup, just in case I like mess up or anything. So I'm going to start off by taking the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I'm going to apply that on my lids, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it with the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Alright, so now for the eyeshadow. This part is super quick, super easy. We're literally just going to be using, I think, like one shade in the crease. I'm going to be taking the Snow Angels palette by Dose of Colors. I just got this in my BoxyCharm, and I really want to test out the formula because I've never tried Dose of Colors eyeshadows before. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this shade right here, which I believe is called Cashmere, right there. And I'm going to put that into my crease. Alright, next I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to lightly tap it into the shade Pretty Bold. Like, when I say the lightest touch, I mean like one tap, tap it off. And I'm just going to add that with that color just to make it a little bit more pinky. See how it's like a little bit more pink now? Okay, so now I'm going to be doing some eyeliner. I think I'm going to stop there with the eyeshadow for now. I might add like some blue underneath or whatnot. I'm not sure yet. But for my eyeliner, I'm just going to take the e.l.f. Line and Define Eye Tape to create a guide, because I haven't done a wing liner free-handed in a very long time. But for my liner, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Liquid Liner. I forget like what kind this is, but it looks like this. It's like a little hourglass shape. So yeah, I'm just going to put the tape on my eye and then go ahead and do some liner. Okay, I think that's pretty even for the most part, but I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes. Alrighty, so now for the rest of the face, I'm going to be taking the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and then for foundation, I'm going to be mixing together the Milani Concealer Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation in 00B and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in 202. Alrighty, now for concealer, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in the shade C3. Alright, now to set everything in place, I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Transparent. As you can see, I love this powder. I use it every time I do my makeup. It's just become a habit at this point. Alright, so I'm going to quickly finish up the lower lash line. I'm going to take the same 2 shades that I used earlier, and I'm going to smoke that on my lower lash line. And I'm actually just using the brush that this palette comes with. Alright, so next I'm going to do my lashes, and for mascara I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I am going to curl my lashes before I apply this. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using the Glistening Beauty lashes in the style Bridget. They are so good. I love these lashes. If you've never tried Glistening Beauty lashes, you need to. They are so good. I will leave a link down below for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to touch up my eyelash glue once it dries just a little bit more, but for bronzer, I'm going to be taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Light Bronzer. I'm just going to take my brush and apply that. And then for blush, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Blush Trio in Cocktail Party. And I'm going to take, I think I'm going to mix these 2 shades right here called Scorching and Babe. I'm focusing it a little bit more on the apple of my cheeks than I normally would. Just because I want that like blushed look. I don't know. I'm just going with it. Normally I just focus blush right here, but I'm going to put a little bit on my apples on my cheeks too. And I'm going a little heavy-handed, but this is like a Halloween look, so it's okay to go heavy-handed, you know? If anyone asks, you did it on purpose, you know? And now for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Coty Airspun highlighter in Snow Much Ice because it's the most blinding highlighter that I have. I'm going to take a little bit on my brush, tap it off, and then apply that. See, literally it's so blinding, but that's what we're going for today, so. I am gonna put whatever's left on my brush like towards the center of my face, which I never do. Like my blush and my bronzer, I usually just keep it right here, but I'm gonna bring some of that forward today. Alright, we're also gonna highlight the nose. Looking like Rudolph, you know, girl. Also the lip, a Cupid's bow. I love how this look is like super highlighted and glowy because you know what? Us people that love doing makeup, we just can't help ourselves with highlighter. So that one time we get to like go all out and not have to worry about it, like I'm not complaining. Okay, so now before I highlight the inner corner and the brow bone, I am gonna go ahead and do my brows first, just in case if I mess up my brows, I can just like clean them up real quick and not have to worry about like the highlighter. So for my brows, I'm gonna be using Dip Brow today, and I kind of switch in between the shades Taupe and Soft Brown. I think I'm gonna do Taupe today because I did just get my hair done, so I'm a lot lighter. And then to set my brows, I'm gonna use the Essence Make Me Brow in Blondie Brows. Now I was gonna do like an ombre brow, but what I did is I literally took my brush and just created like hair-like strokes throughout my brows, so they look a little bit more natural, but they do kind of have like a filled in look, I guess. But I think I like that instead of doing the ombre brow. Alrighty, so now to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to take the same highlighter that I used on my face and just apply it. Okay, so now looking at like my inspo photo, she does have some freckles. Now, I don't know if they're real freckles, I don't know, but we're gonna create some freckles. So I'm just gonna take my dip brow again and just put some on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna take this like really like, I don't even know what this is. This is a Sunny Kasha 202 brush. And I'm just gonna kind of coat my brush and just lightly like put some freckles. Literally like lightly. And just kind of pat it out with my finger. Now I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of glitter, and this is like literally the perfect glitter. I just saw the name. But this is the Stila, what are you? Glitter and Glow Highlighter. So this is meant for like your face, but the shade name is Monarch. Literally this is perfect. So I'm going to use this on my inner corner. And then I am going to put a little bit on my cheeks too. Kind of blend it out with my finger. And I am going to put some on my brow bone as well. Oh my god, I love this. This is so cool. Okay, actually, I'm going to put some glitter on the tip of my nose too. Because I just looked at the picture and she has a little bit of glitter there. Okay, I am obsessed with how this look is looking right now. I didn't think I was gonna be. But I'm going to go ahead and do the butterflies before the lip color. Now, for the butterflies, I went to Michael's probably like 4 times in the past 2 days trying to find butterflies, and I physically cannot. So, I mean, I did find some butterflies, but not like small ones that I'm looking for. Because in her picture, they're like 3D, and I kind of wanted it to be like hers. So, not the exact same butterflies, but I wanted them to be 3D. So, what I did is I printed some off of Google, and I cut them out. And I put tape on the back of them, so when I put the eyelash glue on it, it won't make the paper like all soggy. So I just put some tape behind it. But it took a few minutes to cut these out, but definitely worth it because this is going to look so cute. I did also find these at Hobby Lobby, and they're like 3D. Like you could probably like fold the wings to make them 3D, but they're not the colors I want. These are all like the same, like brown and pink. Yeah, you can fold the wings and make them 3D if you want to, but I just wanted something with more color. But if you don't care and you just want butterflies on your face, then get the ones from Hobby Lobby because you can fold the wings to make them 3D and just stick those on your face and it would be super cute. But I was really extra and I decided to just print some off of Google, and we're just going to use that today. Okay, so I'm just taking a piece of paper, literally so random. I'm going to put some eyelash glue on it. You can also use latex if you want to, but I'm just going to use eyelash glue just because I feel like it's the easiest for people to find. Latex can be hard to find sometimes. So I'll just use some eyelash glue. And plus, a lot of people have eyelash glue like on hand at home, so it just makes more sense to use it. And I'm just going to take the end of a brush that I have. And I'm going to take the butterfly, I'm going to fold it in half. I already kind of folded them a little bit, but I'm going to fold it in half, like so. And then I'm going to take the glue, and I'm going to put it right where I folded it on that line, and then give it a second to dry. So I wasn't going to copy her look 100%, but I literally can't help myself because I'm obsessed with the way this girl's butterfly like looks. Like I would have never thought of this on my own. I'm not that creative, and I'm just literally obsessed. Like I have to like kind of copy it. Like this would be so cute on my nose, no? I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and put glue on another butterfly while that one's kind of drying. If you do have an X-Acto knife or like a blade or something, actually cutting out the butterflies wasn't that bad, especially if you're only going to do a few of them. But if you're going to do a lot, I'd recommend getting just a pack of them because it's so much easier. But where I only did like 5 of them, it wasn't actually, yeah, where I only did 5 of them, it wasn't too bad. I'm going to go ahead and stick this on my face and pray to God it sticks. gonna put it right there. I'm just gonna hold it while it dries. I'm so scared it's not gonna stick. Now I think I want this one like right here. Now if you don't put tape on the back of these, what's going to happen with the eyelash glue is it's going to sink into the paper and it's not going to stick very well. So I'd recommend putting like some sort of tape or like sticking some sort of like plastic wrap. You might as well just use tape. And literally what I did is I stuck the tape on the butterfly and then kind of like cut it out. Obviously the back side of the butterfly where the glue is going to be. And it's working really, really well so far, so I'm not complaining. But I have 3 more eyelashes to put on. Not eyelashes, I have 3 more butterflies to put on. And then I have these bad boys if I want to add more, but we'll see. I never thought I'd be sticking butterflies to my face, but I'm definitely not mad at it. I don't know how I feel about it. Something's off. Alright, so I'm going to add another butterfly because I feel like I need one more. And literally what I'm doing is I'm taking, if you got these stickers, and they're 3D, I'm literally just taking the top layer and ripping it off. And then we have a little butterfly. Cute. But I'm gonna cut off that foamy piece just because it's not gonna lay right on my skin if I don't. I'm actually really glad I bought those butterflies because it worked just fine. It looks so good, like it goes with it. But I think that's all I'm gonna add because I don't wanna add like too much and look crazy. So now for the lips, this part is super simple and super easy. I'm just gonna take the Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in the shade Lolita and I'm gonna outline my lips. And then I'm gonna take the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy and put that on top. Alrighty, so I do want this gloss to have a little bit more of like a peachier look. I feel like I should have used Lolita, maybe like a lighter color. But that's okay, because I'm just going to take this Kokie Cosmetics Lip Veneer Cream Gloss in the shade Invincible. I'm just going to put some on my finger. And then just kind of like tap it on my lips. Alrighty guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this look. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!